How to share location on iOS 26. So the first thing that you have to do is get to your settings, and then from here scroll down until you see the option of privacy and security. Tap on it, and then from here tap on location services. After doing that, here tap on this toggle button and make sure that it is enabled just like this. So after doing that, again tap on share my location and also make sure that share my location is turned on. Tap on it and turn it on. You have to now go back, and if you scroll down from here, you can see Messages app. Here you can see Messages app. Tap on it and make sure that while using the app is selected, or you can select ask next time or when I share. And also make sure that precise location is turned on just like this. So after doing that, you can now simply get to your messages and you can simply start sharing your location. So for example, I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to open my messages application. And then from here, I'm going to select a random text message just like this. And then from here, if you simply tap on this plus icon right here, you can now scroll down and then tap on location. And then from here, you can now request their location, or you can either share your location. Simply tap on it and the message will be sent to them. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.